Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I'm having a very common question that everyone uh, may containing in their mind, and the question is, what does beautiful mean? What does beautiful mean to you? What does beautiful mean to me? And what does beautiful mean to everyone? What does it actually mean? Beautiful means might be mean for many people how you look, how is your eye, how is your nose, how is your ear, how is your lip, how is your body structure, how is your hair, how is uh, how you tall, how you saw, what the length of your body, and many things like that. And though your voice, the pitch of your voice, these things mean beautiful to many people. How is your skin color? That mean the beautiful for many people. And for many people, the beautiful means the beauty inside you, the kindness inside you. What kind of person are you? How you behave? What's the manner you are having? The power of your understanding, the sense of humor. These things may be beautiful for many people, and I still believe there still exist people in this world. They following this uh, beautiful mean your inner beautiness, not your outer beautiness. Yeah, and there are people who believe if you are having this both thing, then you are beautiful. Otherwise, you are burden to this world. You don't deserve a life. Discrimination is still exists in this world, and that's the reason people is having different opinion about being beautiful. But I want to know that what my subscriber mean by beauty, what do you guys mean by beauty, what my viewers mean by beauty. Do you mean beauty by how you look, how you smile, how you is your eye, how is your skin color, and which place you live? Is that you mean by beauty, or you mean beauty means how you is how is your inside beautiness, how is your kind, what the manner you're having, or how you behave. I just want to know, I'm just curious to know what beauty means to you guys, what beauty means to my subscriber. I'm really much that curious, and I hope I'm gonna second one. Yeah. I'm just proud of that kind person. We guys are so lucky to have people around us who is just kind-hearted, who understand this beauty to mean. And that's really a good thing. Can't be expressed in just a few words. This is the true meaning of beauty. How beautiful from you inside, the manner, the behave. Yeah, the good sense of humor. These things mean the real beautiful. And I hope you gonna answer me what I actually asked you. I hope you understand, and it means a lot to me. And I'm gonna wait for you guys for your individual opinion, because it really means a lot to me. It means something like heaven. Yeah, when I get your opinion, I feel like I'm in heaven. You know why? That make me able to understand the different things, that even make me more understandable about different opinion. That's why. And guys, thank you so much for keep supporting me, for always being with me. Thank you so much, and always keep supporting me. Thank you so much.